Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Fast and Furious 5-pack. The cars in this 5-pack are the 67 Custom Mustang, the 70 Monte Carlo, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the Nissan Skyline GTR, and the 69 Camaro. And then also on the side it shows the movies of which cars. So let's open up this 5-pack and take a look at the cars inside. So the first car is the 67 Custom Mustang. So you can see this is dark green, and 2 white stripes on the top, and then a white stripe on the side. I also have it carded from the set in 2013. And you can see they're basically the same exact car and not that much difference to it. There's no different rims and the car is basically the same thing. The box says the car was from the Fast and Furious, but I think it was in the Tokyo Drift movie and was owned by Major Boswell. The next car is the 70 Monte Carlo. So you can see it has a gray stripe right here going on the side and then up here. Then the hood is gray and then the top is also a gray or silver. Then also from 2019, this was from 2 sets ago, you can see the tampos are a little bit different. You can see a little stripe down here, but the stripe on this one is bigger. And this is also brown, and this is a gray. And on the hood, just the color is a little bit different, but then the silver color is almost identical. And then of course the rims are different. This car was also in Tokyo Drift and was driven by Sean Boswell. So the next car is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So this is a blue, then you can see GT3 RS on the side, and black. And then that's basically it for tampos. And then the one from the set of 2017, you can see the difference is that this is a little bit lighter than this, but then the car is literally the same exact thing. There's no difference to it other than the color. Not even a difference in the rims, or a little bit different in the tampos. Just the color. This car was seen in Fast 5 and was driven by Brian O'Connor. So next up is the Nissan Skyline GTR. So you can see this is silver, then the blue stripes on the side. And basically the Skyline that we all know with this color. And you can see the backlights. And this has also been made in several Fast and Furious mainline sets, but one of them is from 2017, which is also the one the Porsche was in. You can see the difference is all it is that the rims are different. And then they've also made it as a premium version one time. And of course the premium version has a lot more detail to it. This is also one of Brian O'Connor's cars, and this was in Too Fast, Too Furious. So the last car is a 69 Camaro. This car hasn't been in any Fast and Furious sets. So you can see this is blue, then a white stripe right here, then also another one on the hood, Chevy logo, then also says Camaro right here on the hood. Sadly the hood doesn't open though. This car was driven by Brian O'Connor in Too Fast, Too Furious, Dominic Toretto in Fast and Furious, Tej Parker in Fast and Furious 6, and Roman Pierce in Furious 7. In my opinion, this set is super cool. But I think they should be focusing on making newer cars that they haven't made before in Fast and Furious sets. Because I'm sure there's several other cars that they could be making. If you already have these cars in this set, I wouldn't suggest buying this because they're basically the same exact cars. My favorite car from this 5-pack is the Skyline. I would have picked the Porsche, but there's not enough detail on it to beat this Skyline. The winner for the giveaway is Jake Pomalero Productions. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. You have 1 week to contact me from my email in the description below or DM me on Instagram. Congratulations again. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Fast and Furious 5-pack.